Hello everybody, are you having an issue with Xbox Game Pass that's constantly updating? Well, it's pretty easy to fix, so watch the video if you want to figure out how to do it. So I made a notion how to do it. The first thing you want to do is check for any Windows OS updates. To do this, of course, go to Windows Update, click on this and then update your Windows. And the next thing you want to do is use the Gaming Services Repair tool. How to do that, you go into PowerShell, so type in PowerShell, right click, type in Run as Administrator, hit yes. Then you want to copy and paste this. I'll put this in the video description. And then you want to copy and paste this as well. Hit enter, you hit install here. I have it installed, so I'm not going to do it, but I'm still going to need to reboot my Xbox Game Pass. Then after you've launched Xbox Game Pass, what this will do is under the profile icon, you'll see a support option. So left click on the profile, click on support, and then you'll see Gaming Services tool. Click on this and this should fix your issue. If this solved your problem, leave the video a like. If this didn't solve your problem, leave the video a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you.